Learn English. Hello. Do you and your family want to learn English? We can help you. We teach English here with word games. Today's game is nouns for all levels. It will start easy and then get more difficult. Let's begin. Number 1. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. Jennifer is reading a... What do people read? Book. Jennifer's reading a book. Bob wants to go now. Please, open the... This is like a door, but it's outside and it's very big, so cars can drive through it. And the first missing letter is the first letter in the alphabet. Gate. Please, open the gate. This word has two meanings in English. One is a thing, just like a pen, and the other one is in grammar. If we say Bob eats rice every day, Bob is the subject and rice is the... And the second missing letter is a J. Object. An object is a thing, like a pen. One object. Two objects. Some of the students live in a... This is a big place with many small rooms for students to live in. A boarding house. Bob will paint a of Jennifer. This means Jennifer will sit and pose, and Bob will paint. This is similar to a picture of her or a painting. And the second missing letter is a T. Portrait. Bob will paint a portrait of Jennifer. This word is similar to a pole. We use it, it's the thing that holds up a curtain, and sometimes it's on the top of a building to catch a lightning strike. And the missing letter is the fourth letter in the alphabet. Rod. A curtain rod. A lightning rod. This truck runs on... This means this truck is powered by. The answer is a kind of fuel, similar to gasoline, but not gasoline. And the last letter is an L. Diesel. This truck runs on diesel. Uncountable. Bob doesn't want to damage his. This is an opinion that people have about you. And this word has many meanings, so please check your dictionary. And the first letter is an I. Image. Bob doesn't want to damage his image. One image. Two images. When Bob jumped into the water, there was a big. This is when the water comes up. Splash. There was a big splash. One splash. Two splashes. This noun we use in a phrase like this. Jennifer will accept the award of Bob. This means the award is going to Bob, but he's not here. So Jennifer will accept it. Behalf. Jennifer will accept the award on behalf of Bob. And we also say it this way. That was lots of fun. My name is Vinny. See you next time, everybody. Bye-bye.